Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
What is so good about the morning? Shalom. What is so good about the morning? One thing which is good about the morning is that we are awake for one more wonderful day ahead. Think about it. The first issue was we were not even getting up early morning, right? And today, now it is 8 continuous day. We are all awake to a new beginning. That is very, very important. And all the more important is that we have resolved to get up early morning, to have a morning routine, and which is going to help us in every aspect of life. The first thing we did was we stopped being lazy. We started putting control to our mind that yes, we can do this. Very important. And this is very, very important for us, that we control our mind first thing in the morning. We do not put snooze button on saying, I don't want to get up. Okay. So first thing you are doing is when you are getting up early morning, you are having your own control on the life we are living. And once you do this, the day open up for you to do something good for yourself and for your family. Yes or no? Think about it. When you start your day on a fantastic move, okay, don't you feel good about it? Recall that you are not even able to get up before 6 o'clock. And this journey of the last 8 days have been fantastic, where we are able to understand what we can do. When we wake up, we need to thank everyone, the universe, right? We also do some exercise, yoga, skipping, stretching, which helps us to open our body also. The blood reaches to our mind and we feel energetic. I already have the first round of my tea and my breakfast. And after that, when I take up my book to read, okay, the book reading helps you learn quickly from the experience of the writer who has spent enough time putting down his experience. So this also helps you. So why I am repeating all this again and again? Because this is what we want to repeat on a regular basis. So when we do that, when we repeat this on a regular basis, okay, it becomes a regular habit, which is a good one. All these habits become a powerful tool to transform ourselves, which will help us to go to the next level. And the next level is all what we want. We want that we need to reach the next level. We want that we should be doing something more in life. We want that we should not live a mediocre life. We want that we should live our dreams. Most of the time, okay, most of the time what happens? The biggest brain or the biggest dream are lying at the cemetery. काश मैं ये कर सकता था. If only I could have done this. But who is stopping you? Who is stopping you from achieving your own dreams? You yourself. You yourself are stopping things not working. You yourself are stopping from all the miseries which are happening. Why? Because you are not doing it. You are not doing it. So if you do not do it, it will not happen. So everybody has an excuse. Everybody has an excuse. Okay, this is not okay, that is not okay. Somebody expired, somebody went away, they did that, they did that. I was in the right, I was doing the right thing, but they came and we continuously blame others. We keep on blaming others, and today's topic is about blame. So stop blaming others for whatever has happened in your life. We need to thank everyone that they have in fact helped you to improve. They have thanked you to improve on whatever you are doing. And this is not about blaming others. In fact, they are actually helping you to grow. Seriously. Now think about it. Somebody telling me I cannot do this. An astrologer, my family, my friends saying, no, you cannot enter the stock market. This is the place of gambling. This is the place where people have lost a lot of money. And I have so many friends who are doing extremely well. So many of my students who are doing extremely well. Okay. For them, this has become a primary source of business. Now, I could have listened to the naysayers and would have just done something else. But I resolved of saying no to their saying no, because they were not from the stock market. But what I was looking was the people who are successful. Now, it is up to you. Whatever has happened during the past few days, month, or years also, it is perfectly all right, right? Because please understand, whatever decision you have taken, it is your ounce of owning it. But most of the time, we continuously blame everybody else. Oh my God, while I was going to put the trade in, okay, things did not work out. My internet went off. Oh bloody hell, what the? And we keep on swearing. Oh, while I was just putting the trading, my children came in. And every now and then we keep on blaming others about the things which are not working right. We will never say thank you. Okay, while I was going to take the trade, while the market was going down, and it went down further. It took my stop loss also where I was going to keep it. So that time you did not go and say thank you, because of you I was saved. But we keep on blaming why the things will work in your favor, why you are thinking. So what is the fun about it? Now, if you do not blame everybody else, okay, the first thing which happens is whatever good, whatever bad which is going to happen is everything yours. So when you actually take it in your stride, you feel really good about it, because yes, this is what I have done in my life, and this is good. The self-confidence increases instead of going down. Think about it. Just think about it. How many times have we blamed everyone else except ourselves? Think about it. Take 15 seconds to think about it. Are we not doing this same mistake again and again and again, blaming everyone except ourselves? It is not correct to blame others for the mistakes which we are doing. Getting up early morning, it is your choice. Now, if you are sleeping home late because of, some party which is going on, blah, blah, blah. Now, don't stop and blame the family members for that. For them, something else is there. Stop watching the TV. Go to sleep early. Simple as that. But when you will have a routine for yourself, your family member also will toe your line. अरे इसको तो जल्दी उठना पड़ता है, चलो यार जल्दी सो जाते हैं. Let him go to sleep. At least let him go to sleep is the answer. Now, when I get up early morning, okay, nobody stops me from getting up early morning. नहीं तो पहले family members बोल रहे थे, अरे जल्दी नहीं उठना, आज बहुत लेट हो गया है सोने के लिए. But now they don't say, because they know my routine will still remain the same. I'm going to get up irrespective if I sleep at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I am going to wake up for sure. Why? Because my mind and my body is now trained to get up at 6 o'clock, and this routine has now become a habit. Is it a good habit? Of course. Because think about it. How much time I have got extra than everybody else? How much time I can spend to learn something new? And I've got extra time. Okay. Believe me, at my residence, since 3 years, there is no TV and cable connection. Okay. Now you want to watch something, some movie, this, that. Okay. It takes 3 hours to watch it. Not a problem. 3 ghante mein you are done. But if you spend 1.5 hour every day, how much time is getting wasted? So stop blaming everybody else for things which are not working for yourself, and improve on the things what you can do. So this is most important thing, that when we get up, we are in control. We say thank you, Lord. We say thank you, universe, for whatever we have got. And whatever is going to happen today is going to be fantastic. Okay, while you read a good book, okay, good thoughts come to you, good learning happens. And today's topic was stop blaming others for whatever wrong is happening in your life. Take control of your life. Nobody needs to be blamed but ourselves. For whatever is happening in our life, we are in control. And once you stop blaming family members, friends, trainers, coaches, okay, means अपने यहाँ पे गुरु लोग को तो हम लोग पूजा कर रहे थे, इतने सालों से हम लोग का कल्चर था कि वी वर ऑलवेज, माँ बाप हमारे सबसे बड़े गुरु, and the teachers who are teaching us such a wonderful thing, उनको भी हम लोग प्रणाम करते थे, we were, but we keep on blaming everybody कि because of them I am not successful. Hello, change your mindset, bring a positive attitude towards life. जो हो गया है उसको छोड़ो पीछे. So once you stop all this creeping around, you know, it doesn't make sense. So guys, anyone has to say anything? Again, I would love to take this chance to thank every one of you. Dr. Vardhan is there, Angelo is there, Kunal is there, Nitin is there, Sunil is there, somebody using a mobile phone, V2025 is there. So today also we are one shot of our consistency. This is perfectly all right, not a problem. But this is going to continue. And I love this morning routines. Why? Because even if I am able to change few life, it will be worth it. So thank you all for joining me. So with today's topic of stop blaming everybody else. In fact, I would say stop blaming yourself. Stop blaming the market. Stop blaming the brokers. Stop blaming the computers. You know, in fact, I would love to say, please convert your laptop to your ATM machine. And thank you for getting us into this particular market. This is what you need to say. So I hope today's topic was useful to you. Okay, we need to stop blaming everybody else. Start taking responsibility. And once you start taking the responsibility, life will change for good. And I believe that you are going to do that. You are going to the next level of wherever you are, whatever place you are. See, please understand, I was buried 6 feet down, had lost my business. I had to sell my office. But I did not go down under 6 feet. I came out and I'm flying. This is very, very important. So you need to have that belief system in yourself. So morning routines are there to help you achieve more. Love you all. Take care. And thank you for coming in. Anyone has to say anything, can definitely.
Thank you very much.
Or we are going off for a wonderful day ahead. Okay. So today in the evening, we are going to start our option classes. Okay. Those who are there, who have joined in, 9 o'clock, we will be coming in. Today, we are going to plan out the whole thing. And then from Monday onwards, Monday to Friday, 3 weeks, we will get the options thing right for ourselves. Love you. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Meher bhai. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Stop blaming others.